Hi there, in this video we're going to look at how to analyze the results of a whole class in an assessment or a quiz on CampusCruiser. We are on the CampusCruiser dashboard. We're going to select the class that we want to work with. And inside of this class we want to work with, we're going to go to our course design tools and then our assessment editor. From here, you can see all the assessments that were given inside of this class. I'm going to select the first quiz, select whatever quiz you would like to work with. You can see that inside of this quiz, you have all of your settings as far as the questions and when the quiz is available and the general settings. Here's the tab we need to work with. We need to go to Responses, which is the fourth tab. And you can see all of the students and their individual grades here. You can click review on each individual student, and that will give you how that student did on that particular quiz, as well as how long they took and where they signed in from and all that other good stuff. But we want to see what happened with the whole class and see if there are any questions that maybe the majority of the class missed, so we can concentrate on those, or test the validity of the question. If a whole bunch of students missed them, maybe the question was not fair. So in this case, when we are on our Responses tab again with all of our individual students, we're going to click on the Report button, which has a printer next to it. And we're going to request a report by just clicking on that Report Request button, and you'll see that it says processing. You just need to hit refresh until that processing is over. It might take one or two, and when it is over, the report actually pops up, and here you can see what the question was, what the format of the question was, and how the students as a class whole performed on that question. So there were 16 students who took this question, and 14 out of the 16 got it right. So in this case, an 87.5, which would be very good. You know, above 80% is marvelous. Question number 2, not so much. This would be one that you might want to look at a little bit further, because 6 out of 17 only got it right, and that would be a 35%. So that's one that should be further analyzed. You can do a couple things with this report, like downloading it into Excel or going into each individual question and taking it a little bit further. If you have any other questions or would like to work a little bit further on this, just let me know and I will be glad to help you. Thank you so much.